So how do you download the App Store on a school iPad? Let me explain it, and if it's your first time being here on a Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. So the school iPad might be set up in various different ways to make sure that only the things that the school wants will actually be allowed, right? But you can kind of do something about it. At first, you can check out the settings app and find the screen time section. It could be set up in this way where the screen time restrictions, which are a little bit below the content and privacy restrictions, are in place and turn on, and especially for the iTunes and for the App Store, media, web, and games. And in there, you can literally manage if apps are going to be downloaded which are limited by a specific rating or not allowed or whatever, right? So there are plenty of different restrictions which might be in place. And also iTunes and App Store purchases, in fact, allow you to disable installing apps. And when this is set to don't allow, it essentially means that the iPad cannot even have the App Store to begin with because it simply doesn't even appear on the iPad. So you can switch to allow in here, or you can turn off the content and privacy restrictions altogether. So that's one thing. Keep in mind that you might be asked about the passcode. If it was set up and locked this way, then you will definitely need to type in the code to make sure you actually have the rights to change it. But outside of that, you can also check out the settings main page and in general. And below, you can find the VPN and the device management. And this is the place where there might be a work or school account. So you can also check out this place if you are not by any chance signed in with some school account. And that could prevent your iPad from being able to work properly. And, you can sign out from this if you would want to. So I hope it helps. That's what I wanted to explain. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below, and I'll see you in the future uploads.